Hi, and these comments are for someone who sent me an email. I'm going to just use the initials of your first name, A, and you had some questions about my online TOEFL course, about one of the plans, right? And I am Michael from OTC. I'm the founder, owner, and the materials writer of all of the courses, all the lessons, everything. So I can answer all of your questions because I created the content. Okay, so here's your question. I've read the TOEFL plans in your website. I'd like to purchase one of them. My question is, do the topics included encompass in the academic topics that I will face in the actual test? In other words, do the practice topics in the TOEFL plan qualify me to understand any academic lecture or have the idea of the academic topics I will get in the actual test and answer its questions? The answer is yes. Actually, I did practice along 6 months, and to the test, my problem is that I get overwhelmed when I listen and try to understand a subject that I don't have any idea about. Okay, well, here are the actual lessons, right? I'll show you some of the topics in the listening section. And I think these will be similar to what you might hear on the actual test. A lot of students they complain, they say that my lectures are even more difficult than the TOEFL exam. So if you do well on the lectures in my course, you'll probably find the listening easy. So here are some of the topics I include for my listening practice test. You can kind of see them right here. So I think if you can listen to and take notes on these lectures, I think you'll be in pretty good shape. If you go to the writing, the integrated writing, I'll show you some of the topics here. They're kind of similar. They're all academic and they focus on all kinds of different topics. So you should be prepared, I think, with the integrated writing, with the lectures from that. And the integrated speaking, I recommend I only have about 20 integrated speaking tasks. So you can use TPO if you want to when you're doing your speaking practice. I have no problem with that. So if you want to go to a TPO TOEFL practice online, you want to use a practice test there, then you want to email me that. I'll be happy to listen to and evaluate that. All right, so that's kind of what it looks like. I have a lot of strategies, a lot of things in my course, and you'll notice that the seven-step system to pass a TOEFL IBT. This course has over 800 different lessons to help you improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, reading, listening, writing, and speaking areas. So my course is a academic English language building website. It improves your academic English. And then once you improve that, your TOEFL score gets better. So that's how I designed it. I didn't design it as just a set of strategies where you just take a whole bunch of practice tests that relate to the TOEFL exam. My course actually helps you to build your academic English forever. So even after you're done with the TOEFL exam, you'll have very good speaking, very good writing proficiency. You'll be able to read and listen to conceptually dense lectures. You'll have great vocabulary, very clear pronunciation, and excellent control of both basic and advanced grammar. That's how I designed this course. That's why it has so many lessons. If you look at this, I mean, where are we at? I'm just at the reading here. You just keep going. Every part of my course has all kinds of lessons and skill building exercises to help you with your academic English language proficiency. All right? Thank you.